Genuinely, I haven't seen a better version of this car ever. This is the S63 AMG L, which has the 4-litre V8 bi-turbo engine, but it's the E-Performance, the all-new singing and dancing S-Class, the best of the best. On a 2024 74 registration with just 3,000 miles. This car would have cost nearly £200,000 brand new. Today, with a live pricing, it's 148,990. First and foremost, the colour. In most lighting systems, you think it's black, but it's not. It's the manufactured individual Rubellite metallic paint, which has a lovely red fleck in it. So when the light hits it at the right angle, it shimmers ever so well. It's also got a night package, and for all you non-Mercedes people, night package means that the car is almost fully de-chromed. So you can see a lot of black features. That could be gloss black or black chrome, which is quite a new feature to this huge Panamericana grille. Now, being the S63 L stands for long wheelbase. AMG means it's the big bad boy when it comes to the engine. But this car's got adaptive air suspension, so just because the car's really fast, it doesn't mean that it has to be uncomfortable. Nobody buys an S-Class to be uncomfortable. You buy it because it's the most comfortable Mercedes ever produced. It's their flagship vehicle, but then combine that with that huge V8 petrol engine, you're getting raw sound, you're getting power, and that's what you want. How then do you advance that beautiful engine, that great sound? Go and shut an electric battery in it. This is the E-Performance, which gives you 808 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds, which is nothing short of insane. 808 brake horsepower, that's more than Lamborghini Uruses. That's more than most supercars on the market. In this 4-door saloon, that's huge, and that's what makes it special. I promise you, this is such an exciting car. If you're in the market for something a little bit different, there's more chance of you seeing a top-of-the-range Ferrari or a Lamborghini than there is one of these. That's how rare it is. Let's go back to the front, because this is no ordinary headlights. You can see the blue accents, you can see the glass piece, the detailed triple glass, because this is the S-Class. But you've got the full digital lighting system. When you first start this car for the first time, it gives you a nice little light show. Little things make all the difference, because when you buy a car of this level, you don't want it to be just normal or average. Nothing about this car is average. Again, like the wheels, these are the forged matte black wheels with the single center cap fit in there, and that looks awesome. And right behind, you can see peeking through the red brake calipers. You've already seen the V8 bi-turbo with the E-Performance. E-Performance was mainly designed on this car to give you a boost with the power. However, it can be driven in all electric mode only. The computer says 20 miles range. I truly don't believe that'll be the case. I think if you've got between 10 and 15 miles on the all electric range, you've done pretty well. But you know what? Let's just take it as a booster for the power, because that's what you're getting. Sun protection glass. The night package then gives you the black window surrounds, full tilt and sliding panoramic roof, soft closed doors. If you haven't noticed already, being the long wheelbase, that back door starts here and finishes there. That's a very big back door. So what does that need? Soft closed doors. So when the doors click, it'll shut itself. Lovely little touch. You have got puddle lights here, so when you unlock the car, it'll glow the side of the car. You can press the button and it has come for access, and then boom. What about that for a finish? Like I said, just because it's luxurious, it doesn't need to be boring. It can have carbon fibre in there. Quite clearly, there's a lot of carbon fibre. That full centre dash, the door cards, is all carbon. You've then got the 3-spoke steering wheel, the new design, heads-up display, augmented navigation system. You've got ambient lighting, wireless charging pad. The seats, though, these are super comfortable seats with electric memory, heated, ventilated, and massaging seats. And if you like music, you've got Burmester sound system with extra extended speaker system. That's more speakers in the centre, also in the back. You're going to see a lot of floating effect here with the door card. So the door card's got a floating effect. Even the switch panel has a floating effect because the lighting surrounds behind it. That same floating effect carries on at the top and the centre in the back as well. Fully fitted mats, illuminated entry kick plates, and you've got all the different adjustments, configurations like you'd expect of a car of this calibre. In the back, before you go in, you have the quarter window with the blinds, the full window with the blinds, so you can put these down and up, and child safety locks on, but you can. You've then got the executive rear seat reclining pack on this one. So see the extra buttons? You can press these lovely buttons, and the little footrest comes up from down below here. This goes forward, this then leans back, and it's almost like you're ready to go to sleep. I promise you, this car is phenomenal. I sell the best of the best. Every so often, something like this comes along and you go, wow. And it keeps going wow and wow, because no matter how much time I spend in this car, something else just turns up or creeps up. I mean, I think, look at the finish on this, look at the finish on that. Coat hangers, even your grab handles is very rich because it's leather wrapped with lovely, expensive metal finishing. You've then got this little tablet in the back here, which you can eject and it'll come out, and you can literally configure the car. That's from the lighting, the phone settings, climate, seats. You pick and choose, you do what you want, but it is nothing short of amazing. More cubbyhole space underneath with wireless charging pads and more USCs. Have a look in the back here. See that lovely flow of light behind you with more leather finishing. It's actually crazy how cool this car is. Now, I don't think for one second everybody is going to appreciate this car, is going to understand the car, or even want the car. It isn't built for everybody. It's built for the 0.5%. If you want to be different, if you want to be in a powerful car, but still be cool, this is it. Right, we go to the back of the car now, and that same beautiful styling continues. You've got the new crystallised rear lighting system here. So that's all individual little crystals going on. Quad tailpipes as it belongs to the AMG family. You've got all the cables, extra set of mats there. Remember, the car's under manufacturer's warranty. It's a 74 registration, and although it's an electric performance vehicle, you've still got boot space. You lose a little bit, but you've got more than enough space there to put your shopping in, your suitcase, etc. In the front here, you've got the driver's zone. So, all the things like your heads-up display, the full digital dashboard, illuminated, ceramic finished. There's so many switches and buttons here, I just feel like I'm on a jet. And you've got the driver's zone switch mode here, so you can go comfort, sport, sport plus. It's a name. Have you heard the thing? Have you heard that? This is such a long car, it shouldn't sound like this, but it does. And it's a premium product. I won't even go into the infotainment systems, I don't need to, because it has so much to offer. It'll take another 2 days to go through all that. The car has so much to offer. It really is a one-off piece. You can't really compare it to anything else. I think the closest thing that I've been close to, other than this, is maybe like a very good top-end, highly spec'd up, with all the packs possible, Mulliner, comfort, driving pack, would be something of a flying spur type. But you're talking nearly double the price, £280,000. This at 148,990 really is the best you physically get. My name's Joe. If you want to know anything more, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.